What's good, everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video. Today's video we're going to be doing a review on the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple from 2020. And I'll also be doing a comparison between this shoe and the Court Purple from 2018. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. Alright, so 2020's version of the Court Purple Jordan 1. And big shout out to my boy CivicKid96. Thank you for looking out, man. I was not successful at all at trying to cop this sneaker on release day, which was April 11th, 2020. And man, Michael came through Shoe Palace. And I don't know, he loves staying on the internet, man, and he did his thing, and it was in cart. All he had to really do was check out, and was successful. So Michael, thank you so much again for, looking out for your boy. But anyways, 170 for Air Jordan 1s this year. It has gone up to 170, $10 more from 160. How do you guys feel about that? Do you think it's justified? The Air Jordan 1 high 85s, they go for 200 bucks. So that, of course, is going to be more in line with the 1985 OG style cut. Again, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Do you guys prefer just having these guys as this cut, or do you guys prefer the 85 high cut? Let me know. Now, first off the bat, when I presented this, I did an IG live, and I presented this on there, and the first question that came about was, how's the leather quality? Again, with leather quality and stuff like that, you guys are always going to know that it's going to be inconsistent. And Jordan brand is never really consistent on the types of leathers that they put on their shoes. Some leathers are put on that are better more than the others. I don't know the answer really to it. But as far as the leather quality on this, it's always going to be referenced to the toe and the side panels of the Air Jordan 1. So just off the bat, you can see that it does have a coating on there. It's not really the softest leather out there, but with Air Jordan 1s, it's doable. The white leather, like these panels, the toe, the lateral, and the medial side, is typically different from the main color of the shoe, which is the heel, the ankle portions, and the eye stays and the toes, or the rand around the toe. But the leather on there is just like any other Air Jordan 1. Like I really can't give you a better answer to it. If there is even better leather quality out there, in comparison to the shattered backboard, I would let you know. But typical Air Jordan 1 quality to me. Went with a white tongue, nylon tongue. They also came back with the leather tag right up the top of the tongue. Something, again, I'm not a fan of. Nothing on the back. But they made it where it wasn't, like on the 1.0 or the 2.0 of the pine greens, where it was red. They actually went with the same color that is on the shoe. So appreciate that. They also kept the Wings logo without that patch, which I also appreciate. This is how Jordan 1 should be. So that's that. Also came with a black check, and then the purple outsole, as you can see it. Purple isn't really used a lot in Jordan 1s, and I think this is definitely a color that should, progressively come about, even in more Air Jordan models, I feel like. The only thing that, besides the tongue tag, that was weird is that they came with, this dyed purple faded lace, so to speak, I guess. It doesn't match the upper at all. It does come with the traditional black laces, and I think those are, you know, more prominent in the shoe to use. But as far as like these, I feel like they're trying to mimic a little bit more of like the Royal Jordan 1s. If you guys know the OGs, they come with the royal blue laces, but they come like faded. So over time they have faded into a purple. So I don't know if they're trying to pay tribute or homage or respects, or maybe tie it in back then, but yeah, that is what it is. As far as the insole is concerned, it is a black insole with Nike Air in purple. Now the difference between this and like say previous Air Jordan 1s, you can see that the Nike Air in there is a bit bunched up. Not a fan of that. I would like to see like separation in there between like the Nike and the Air, you know, as far as like the leathers being not too compacted in there. So I feel like that's a printing error that they did on their part, but you know, whatever. Like I can't be like picky about stuff like that. I have to just like really, I don't know, I can't choose my battles, man. It's just the way it is. Like nothing is ever perfect on a sneaker, you know what I mean? Or is there? Video idea? We'll see. All right, so with the 2.0, let's go ahead and reintroduce the 1.0. Again, released in 2018, just like the Pine Green Jordan 1 from 2018. Again, it's got that sail look on it. It's, you know, on the midsole, as far as the lateral and medial sides of the shoes. Leather quality on this is way better than the 2.0. You know, it does feel like it is a better quality leather, a bit thicker, I would say, just like the 1.0, the Pine Greens. The black leather on there is, you know, pretty standard, I suppose. As far as the leather quality of the toe is concerned, with the 1.0, you can see that looks real nice, soft. And then the 2.0, you can see the white in comparison to the purple. You're going to get a softer leather here on the toe of the 1.0 versus the 2.0. But again, that's just my opinion. The purple colors are just about the same, just like I pointed out in my previous video with the Pine Greens. You know, just probably a different hue. The color codes are different on those as well. So just checking out the colors there for you guys. And that's what I'm talking about, like with inconsistencies too, is that they used a different type of leather on the 1.0s versus the 2.0s. But, you know, it is what it is. Here's the sole of the shoes. That purple just really hits, doesn't it, guys? It's really nice. And that's about it, you know. Again, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Definitely subscribe here on YouTube. I'll try to make more videos as they come about. I'm usually doing like new release stuff and you know, stuff from the past, old school videos from old school models and stuff like that. So I guess just whatever I'm feeling, you know what I mean? Like, cause coronavirus and all that stuff, like the stores are closed and it's getting really tough to get sneakers online. And then the pushback, so the shipping dates and the release dates and stuff like that. It's tough, but you know, we'll manage. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.